In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a call in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you need to launch Microsoft Teams. You can either open the application on your computer or access the web version through your browser. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account with the necessary credentials. This will give you access to all your Teams features and tools. Next, we want to navigate to the calendar. On the left-hand sidebar of your Teams interface, look for the Calendar tab and click on it. This action will provide you with a clear overview of your current schedule. You'll be able to see any upcoming meetings, appointments, or events that you have planned. Now it's time to start a new meeting. In the top right corner of the calendar view, you'll notice a button labeled New Meeting. Click on that button to create a new calendar event for your call. As the window for entering meeting details opens up, you'll want to fill out a few important sections. First, add a clear title for your meeting. This might be something straightforward like Project Update, so that everyone understands what the focus of the call will be. Next up, you'll need to invite participants to the meeting. Locate the field for participants and start typing the names or email addresses of the individuals you wish to include in the call. Make sure you add everyone you want to be part of the discussion. Once you've listed your participants, you'll want to set the date and time for your call. Choose a start time and an end time that works best for everyone. Remember to consider different time zones if your participants are in various locations to ensure that the timing is convenient for all involved. Moving on, you should also include an agenda for your meeting. In the notes section, take a moment to jot down a brief description of the topics you plan to discuss. This will help your participants to prepare ahead of time, ensuring that everyone is on the same page during the call. Finally, after you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time to save your meeting. Click the Save or Send button at the bottom of the window. What's great about Microsoft Teams is that it automatically sends email invitations to all the participants you've listed, so no one will miss out. Additionally, the meeting will be added to your calendar, making it easy for you to keep track of your schedule. And there you have it. You've just scheduled a call in Microsoft Teams. It's a straightforward process, but by following these steps, you can ensure that your meetings are well organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more